same thing that's going on right now with SPY for a degree, where you've got the 10 and 21. It can go all the way up to 388 and a half. Everything's come up to the 50. Big picture. SPY is squeezing, but for how long? All right, so SPX gamma is about to turn positive. The flip level is 38.30. All right, so far, just for perspective, maybe this time is different, okay? Maybe this time is totally different. This potential left shoulder, head, itty bitty little right shoulder. You can see the 55, right? I use 55, but some use 50, doesn't matter. Potential left shoulder, head, itty bitty little right shoulder. You can see the 55, right? I use 55, but some use 50, doesn't matter. Point is, it's extremely strong. We're not up at my 285 line in the sand kind of strong. It could go, and I mentioned this, go all the way back up to the 21 day, which is basically 390. And I would still be bearish unless it closes above and kind of forms this scoop pattern and can get above all this junk. But the point is, this is very important for me, this black line, okay? We ran up to it, we got dumped. We got saved, massive short covering on 1013, and then we had, that was basically market structure. That was a lot of optionality right here. And then this was yen intervention, right? And Fed pause, whisper, whatever in Wall Street Journal. So here we are. We're right up to this level. We got above last time and dumped. We got above last time and dumped. So, you know, we've been here a few times. This was the big July through August rally that brought us all the way up to the 200. Prior to that, the 55 was resistance. So we'll have to see what we're going to get here for earnings, because really there's not a lot of edge. Right now, everything looks like this chart, pushed right up into the 55, and here it sits, tempting fate, right? This is not hard. So the first one I had, remember on Thursday before the intervention, was VIX would come down to that 29 area and we would tag 3760. Boom, we got it. What happens above 3760? Well, that's what we did. We literally got above it. We can run through the 10-week into 3870. We're already up on a daily to that 55, 38.38. Level by level by level. These have been there since June. That's been there since July. That's been there since September. So, okay, now we're there. That's the easy part. I think the market's just going to be consolidating aggressively sideways around that 3760 SPX. So it can overshoot 38, 50.